What's going on, vibers? Y'all already know it's your boy Jay. And guess what, y'all? We are definitely back with another one. Listen here, y'all. I ain't trying to waste y'all time, so let's jump right into the video, fam. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Y'all already know, man. Let's go.
Okay, fine. 550 it is. But I just want you to know that this is wrong, Tony. And it wasn't so long ago that... What? Hello? Tony? Tony?
Tony hung up on you, man. Tony hung up on you, man. Damn, man. Tony hung up on you.
So long ago that... What?
Damn.
Hello? Tony?
Damn.
Tony?
Tony don't value you like you thought he valued you, my G.
The... What? Hello? Tony? Tony?
Hold up, guys. Hold the fuck up, man. I'm starting to get this again, guys. I'm starting to get this again, guys. Hey, I ain't gonna hold you motherfuckers. And when I say motherfuckers, it's a term of endearment. I love y'all motherfuckers. You know what I mean? And when I say that, I'm saying it from a place of genuine warmth and freaking want you to get the best of this video as possible. I need y'all to take y'all motherfucking headphones on and slowly and politely cover your ears with it. You know what I mean? And start vibing with me, because this sounds like a vibe that you need headphones. So just do that for me and you'll enjoy it a little bit better. You know what I mean? Let's motherfucking go, fam.
Yeah, I get it, you're an outcast. Always under attack, always coming in last. Bringing up the past, no one owes you anything. I think you need a shotgun blast, a kick in the ass. So paranoid, watch your back. Oh my, here we go, another loose cannon gone bipolar. Slip down, couldn't get much lower. Quicksand's got no sense of humor. I'm still laughing like hell. You think that my crime to me, looking so sorry that I'm gonna believe you've been affected by a social disease? Well then take your medicine. I created the sound of madness, wrote the book on pain. Somehow I'm still here to explain.
I created the sound of madness and I'm still here to explain. Let's go.
On pain. Somehow I'm still here to explain that the darkest hour never comes in the night. You can sleep with the dawn when you gotta wake up and fight for yourself. I'm so sick of this tombstone mentality. If there's an afterlife, then it'll set you free. But I'm so sick of this tombstone mentality. If there's an afterlife, then it'll set you free. But
He said, if there's an afterlife, then it will set you free. Man, that's That's dark and real at the same time, fam. If there's an afterlife, then it will set you free, man. Cause hey, I guess living how we living ain't right. You know what I mean? And if there's an afterlife, I guess it's gonna set us free. Let's go.
mentality. If there's an afterlife, then it'll set you free. But I'm not gonna pop the seas. You're a self-fulfilling prophecy. You think that my crime to me, looking so sorry that I'm gonna believe you've been affected by a social disease? Well then take your medicine. I created the sound of madness, wrote the book on pain. Somehow I'm still here to explain that the darkest hour never comes in the night. You can sleep with the gun when you gotta wake up and fight.
He said you could sleep with a gun, but you're gonna wake up and die. What the fuck? So what type of energy is that?
You can sleep with the gun when you gotta wake up and fight. explain that the darkest hour never comes in the night. You can sleep with a gun, but when you gotta wake up, when you gotta wake up and fight.
Okay, you can sleep with a gun, but when you gonna wake up? What's a line after that, yo? When you gonna wake up and it sounds die, but it doesn't sound like fry. It sounds like die or fry. I don't know. I don't want to freaking put words in this man's mouth and whatnot. So if anybody know the words and whatnot, put it down there in the description for me and whatnot. Cause I feel like I'm saying something that he's not saying. I need to know the meaning. Holla at your boy. You know what I mean? Thank you very much.
When you gotta wake up and fight. I created the sound of madness, wrote the book on pain. Somehow I'm still here to explain that the darkest hour never comes in the night. You can sleep with the gun when you gotta wake up and fight.
You could sleep with a gun when you wake up. Are you going to fight? Okay. Shout out to freaking Mary Bear. Thank you for that. You know.
For yourself, but when you gotta wake up and fight for yourself, but when you gotta wake up and fight for yourself,
Oh shit. When you gonna wake up and fight
for yourself,
I didn't hear the I didn't hear the
for yourself.
part. Like shit. Yo, bars, man. That's bars right there. When you gonna wake up and fight
For yourself.
for
But when you gotta wake up and fight for yourself, but when you gotta wake up and fight for yourself.
Yeah, man, because at the end of the day, I like the messaging. See, sometimes a word, when you miss a word or a sentence and whatnot, it'll throw you completely off to the meaning of what you're listening to. You know what I mean? Because I was like, what is he saying? Like, it didn't make any sense to me, but it's a genuine freaking message and whatnot. Yo, when you fucking sleep, you could fucking sleep with a gun underneath your pillow or underneath your fucking bed and shit. But like, what are you gonna do with that fucking gun when the time is set for you to use it? Are you gonna use it to fight, or are you gonna freaking cower away? You know what I mean? Because it's a big responsibility of having a gun. You know what I mean? Or having a ability to have that much power and shit. And I always said, like, I don't know if it's the same type of energy nowadays and whatnot. But back in the day and shit, you know what I mean? You would know, like, if you seen a crowd of people and whatnot, and only one person had a gun on them, you would probably like take a hypothetical guess that the calmest person in the crowd would probably be the person that had the gun. But like nowadays, like people are so wild out that you can't. I don't even think you can make that freaking shit because everybody has guns nowadays. You know what I mean? So you can't really like. But like the calmest person, because that person understands the amount of power that is being held with the gun in his hand or her hand. You know what I mean? But damn, man, I hope you guys enjoy this track and whatnot. I definitely enjoyed the freaking ride and the journey of doing this video and whatnot. If you guys want more tracks from these guys, man, just put me on, man. I got you as soon as possible. That being said, man, I'm done, man. Let's go, fam. Y'all already know.